So, can PayPal make you richer? According to the monthly chart, it can't. Prices off, all-time highs at $300, and it's currently trading at $58. So, could it make you richer? Well, if you bought at the tops, um, and you're still in, on paper, no. Are you considering getting into PayPal now? Can it make you richer? Definitely can, if it can move back to the highs of $300. The question is, when is the fallen knife going to hit the floor? So this is the weekly chart, and you can see the moving average is still pointing down. This monthly bias level did work once. It was good for roughly a 2-to-1 reward risk ratio. But the sellers are still in control. So I'm going to remove this from the chart. Now, before we look at the next level, let's look at this article. Again, the question is, can PayPal make you richer? So let's look at one stock that has been seen challenging days since January 2022, PayPal Holdings. Here's why this fintech giant is still a top buy and hold option. One of the most critical determinants of success for any company is the CEO. PayPal CEO, outgoing CEO Dan Schulman, has been with the company since 2014, but yet his tenure is about to come to an end. The company has performed well under his leadership, so it's not surprising to see some investors experience doubt as PayPal's ability to continue down that path. This isn't the only issue PayPal has encountered over the years. After its business experienced an abnormal boom in the early days of the pandemic, has slowed down considerably. Revenue growth and net new active accounts additions are down substantially. This makes sense, right? We've seen the helicopter money falling from the sky stop. Everyone and businesses tightened up their belts, became more conscious of what they were spending their money on. PayPal makes their money based on transactions, so kind of makes sense. Economic problems have played a major role. PayPal makes money on transaction fees, like I mentioned, and fewer transactions, for instance, due to slow economic activity, can hinder revenue growth. Lastly, valuation has also been a factor. PayPal shares have gotten a bit too expensive, and the sell-off it has experienced may have been overdue. Despite all of these issues, here's why PayPal can rebound. PayPal can fix the issues it has faced recently or better. Some will resolve it themselves. Economy won't be down forever, right? And when the economy starts booming again, that means more transactions, that means more revenue for PayPal. Now, they do have an incoming CEO, same as Alex Chriss. He was an executive at Intuit. He's deeply experienced with business and consumer-facing financial services. PayPal's payment solutions allow consumers a fast and easy checkout experience with merchants, while it helps businesses with risk management services, data analytics tools to drive greater conversion, and more. I use PayPal almost weekly when I don't want to pull out my credit card to buy something on the web. Company has been a fintech leader for a while. Its brand is intimately linked with this industry, which will continue to grow rapidly thanks to the expansion of e-commerce and greater demands for digital forms of payments. Now, what the article did not discuss is their ties to Bitcoin. You can buy and sell cryptos on PayPal, and so PayPal is also a derivative play on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. So once that starts moving higher, that's going to be another catalyst for PayPal. All right, so let's just zoom out again to the monthly chart, and I just want to show you. I have this monthly buyers level at $52. Right, you have a rallying price, one basic candle, and then a rally out. Again, I anticipate this level working just like this previous level worked for a bounce. But 45 is going to be the ultimate bottom in my opinion. If this next monthly buyers level does not work out. Meaning between $44 and $50, you're going to see price reverse. Now let's go down to the daily chart. I was anticipating this being a flip zone, and once price broke higher, which it never did, it's going to retest before moving higher. But again, pretty much all the moving averages are still pointing down. So this was kind of like a salmon swimming upstream at this point. Now, I do want to look at that level. So this was a nice level to get long in the past. You have a cluster of trading here before the move higher. This is that level where I said that this is going to be the ultimate bottom. You have a gap as well. Let's see what the zone looks like on the weekly chart. Yeah, I would anticipate price reacting to the $54 level. If you look closely, you can see a rallying price, two basic candles, and a rally out. So again, can PayPal make you richer? It definitely can. Not at the moment. As price just made a lower low. It's like a lower high, lower low, lower low high, or lower low. So you're in a downtrend. So just wait, be patient. Price gets to the $50 level. Might be an opportunity to start dollar cost averaging in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.